welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to get fair and bright skin with raw milk naturally at home. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. As Ayurveda says, the milk is the perfect elixir for us. That's the reason milk plays a very important role in maintaining the beauty of our skin, and also it keeps all the skin problems away. If you want to know how, keep on watching. Milk has lactic acid in it, and it acts as a perfect toner and also a natural cleanser, and it is simply to use. So for cleansing the skin, you require some raw milk in a bowl and take a cotton pad, dip into it and rub it on your face gently and massage it over 5 minutes or 10 minutes as you require. The milk has toning qualities claimed from its ability to wash impurities that cause pigmentation right out of the skin, and it evens out a patchy skin tone. So after 10 minutes, wash it off with cold water and do this every day for fairer and bright skin. So the second method is instant brightening mask. So for this we require some chickpea flour and raw milk. So add 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour in a bowl. Then add 3 teaspoons of raw milk into besan flour and mix it well properly and apply it on your face and keep it about 20 minutes or 30 minutes and then rinse it off. This mask has ability to clear out all the dirt and impurities and excessive oil from the skin naturally, and it acts as a mild exfoliant that removes the dead skin cells. Now apply all over the face and massage it gently and then rinse it off with cold water. So you can see the difference how bright the skin is looking. You can use this mask twice a week. So the third method is dark spot removal. For this we require raw milk, turmeric and baking soda. So now in a bowl add half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of turmeric into it. So now add 2 teaspoons of raw milk or as you require and mix it well properly and then apply it all over the face and keep it about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. It gives a tingling sensation, so don't worry. So if you are looking to lighten some of your dark spots, pimples, blemishes and to remove dead skin cells, this mask is for you. It helps to brighten and even your skin tone. So after washing off your face with cold water, you can see the difference. Apply this mask twice a week. So finally you can see my skin how bright and fair it is. So I hope you like my video and try these remedies as well. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, put them in comment section. Thanks for watching.